So you're running a small business. You've got your operations and your financials and your processes all figured out. But have you thought about your public relations strategy? I know what you're thinking. You might be thinking that public relations or PR is really only for large businesses and celebrities. But the truth is, businesses of all sizes can benefit from having a solid PR strategy. And today, that's what we're walking you through. So getting offline and into the quote unquote real world can be a huge PR booster. There are always events and opportunities for you to attend, speak at, or potentially even sponsor. Doing this gets you in touch with your local community. It gets a lot of eyes on you and your expertise and your offering. And it also looks really good for you to do, especially if you're going to sponsor an event. Sponsoring an event usually requires you to put forth some type of financial donation in exchange for recognition in marketing materials or given an opportunity to speak or be recognized somehow at the event. Especially if you live in a bigger metro area, there's going to be lots of opportunities for this. And a great way to find out about what's going on is to pay attention to local networking groups, join your local chamber of commerce, and be active on LinkedIn. Keeping your profile up to date there and signaling that you're interested in speaking opportunities, presentation opportunities, sponsorship opportunities is a great way to get in touch with local business leaders, event organizers, nonprofits, etc. And that way, whenever the need for a sponsor or a speaker comes up, you'll be top of mind. So have you ever wondered how businesses even smaller than yours are able to get featured in huge industry publications? Yes, having a PR person can definitely help, and some of them might have a dedicated PR team, but another little secret is using DIY tools like Haro. Haro stands for Help a Reporter Out, and it's free to use. You just sign up for emails to be sent to you. And whenever a journalist from publications, large or small, submits a query, that email gets sent out to you and everybody else who has opted in. What you can then do is read through them, see which makes sense, if any, for you and your business, what you have to contribute or have to say, and submit a pitch. It's usually just a paragraph or two long answer to a question that the journalist has asked you to answer. And if you've been selected, you get published in that publication for free. A similar DIY PR solution is PRWeb. So PRWeb is a great one to use if you have a big event coming up, or you're launching a new business entirely, or maybe you do have a charity event that you're speaking at or that you're in charge of. So what you'll want to do is write up your press release and you submit it to PRWeb, and they'll help you distribute it all over to the publications that make sense for that press release. And like I said, it's pretty simple and pretty DIY, and you can use it for as little as $99 per release. Now lastly, a huge part of public relations is knowing what's being said about you and how people are feeling about you and how people are responding to you and your organization. Using a reputation management tool like Marple can give you a better understanding of just that. Simply create an account for free at marple.app. Enter your business name as your search term and watch notifications come in via email whenever new results pop up about you on Google. And knowing what's being said about you is great, but that's not it. Marple also allows you to mark the results that come in as either positive or negative, or you can also report them to Google for removal if you run across anything that's malicious or simply untrue. Marple is one of the best and easiest ways to stay on top of your online reputation, something that's vital for businesses large and small. Don't let Google's search result page ruin your small business's reputation. Sign up for Marple for free today. And if you enjoyed this video and learned something from it, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We post videos like this every single week, and we can't wait to see you for the next one.